Hello, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Here's your faculty heads up for March 2018. Our next faculty council meeting is at Lake Nona, room 148, on March 8th from 2 to 5. Here's a quick overview of what we plan on talking about at the meeting. The agenda in this email will be continually updated, so please check it out in the future. But basically our plan is to start off with hello, how are yous? I'm going to talk about what's going on, some of the things that's going on at the college. For example, make sure you order your regalia. Information's here. There are some wonderful presentation on where does the money go throughout March. The information's here. There are some sustainability advisory town hall meetings. Agenda's here. Bike riding events in Winter Park and Osceola. There's a great professional development course on recognizing and supporting students in distress. If you haven't already, sign up for your VALIC sessions. Spring Job Fair 2018. And if you haven't already, please download the Valencia Safety app, and there's a Counseling Spring newsletter. I've also included my February schedule, the meetings I attend. If you have any questions on them or check out the agendas, please let me know. There's a bunch of meetings and stuff that go on at Valencia, and I'm honored to represent you at those meetings. But basically, here's just a kind of an idea of the meetings that I attend and what's going on at the college. And then here's the agenda from last month. You can kind of get an update on that. So we have a lot of things going on this month. We have a couple updates. So I'll be talking about the online assessment for the Faculty Council. If you haven't taken that survey, please do. We're always looking for ways to improve and find ways to help our faculty and be the voice and engagement opportunities for faculty. If you haven't already, there's an academic integrity faculty survey. We're looking to find out what are the thoughts on academic integrity at Valencia. So if you haven't taken that survey, it's here. There's a lot of conversations going on in the college about part-time, annually appointed, tenure track, and tenure faculty. So basically the statement is just to let you know that there are conversations going on. I will keep you posted on that. We had a presentation last month on international students. The presentation's here, and we gave them some feedback, but we're also going to give them some more feedback at this meeting. The issue basically is if an international student receives a W, they may, and that falls below the threshold of how many courses they're supposed to be taking, they can be kicked out of the country. So we're trying to find out how faculty can help, but also give them ideas on how they can help the students. There's a final exam change proposals here, and we're collecting feedback. The proposal basically says, what if final exam week was like a normal week? For example, if you had a class on Monday, Wednesday, your final exam week would be Monday, Wednesday. You can give the final on either day or split it up. Feedback I've received so far is mixed. Some people like the final exam schedule, having a nice 2.5-hour block. There may be issues with everyone giving a final on the same day for students if their classes are back to back. And some people think it would be easier for scheduling. So the feedback I've received so far is mixed, but we'll see what feedback the other campuses have collected. Thank you so much for those that have volunteered for the work teams and committees. All the requests are here. I'm still compiling all the nominees, and we'll decide if we've had too many volunteers, who's going to be on what committee, and finish that up on March 8th, and you'll be notified if you volunteered, if you made one of the work teams or committees. We're going to vote to endorse or not endorse the final draft of the ROC. The presentation's here. They did a lot of work taking feedback. I think it was like 300 pages or something of work to analyze and look at all the feedback. Thank you so much for providing feedback. And we'll be voting to endorse or not endorse the ROC final draft and the course peer review final draft. And we'll be doing a revote on the academic integrity tool. Last month we voted for Vericite, but there was a change where Turnitin bought Vericite. So we'll be looking at what would happen there if we're able to get a contract, or the second choice was Unicheck, was also very good. So we'll be discussing that at the meeting. And we have several presentations. Dr. Amy Bosley will be coming, talking about organizational development, human resources, a sabbatical update, the staff professional development update, endowed chairs, employee development fund, formerly SPD, compensation evaluation team update, and returning to continuing contract from annually appointed contract update. A lot of updates there. Dr. Wendy Dew will be coming, giving us a Canvas update, a ROC update, talking about the faculty incentive plan and the high impact practice plan. If you have not started looking at that, please do. It's a great program you want to be a part of. And a classroom evaluation update. Christine Christian will be coming and talking about resource development. And we have Resham Shirsat, the Director of Education for Sustainability, going to come talk to us about the definition of sustainability, opportunities for students and faculty. She has a gift for us. We can be a little more sustainable. And the sustainability tracking destination this summer. All the information's here. We'll go around and see how the campuses are doing, if there's any issues, if things we can do to help. Point Santa campus is part of the family now, so which is great. We'll be having a meeting in July at Point Santa campus. I'll be the first one there, faculty council meeting. And we'll talk about some engagement ideas. And our next faculty council meeting is April 12th from 2 to 5 p.m. at Winter Park in room 112. If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to contact me, and thank you so much. In the faculty insight, towards the end of the month, we'll give a follow-up on what happened at the meeting. Thank you so much.